Good morning, students of standard 11th. Today we are going to study topic parts of nerve cell from chapter 21, neural control and coordination. The following are the parts of nerve cell: cyton, axon and dendron. So students, the parts of nerve cell which remain present in the nerve is the cyton, axon and dendron. Since the concept of these three parts will become more clear if we notice this diagram. Students, in this diagram we can observe the widest part of the nerve cell, and this is called as cyton. Students, we can also observe here the bundle of nerve fibers which is called as axon. And students, if we observe here, we will be able to notice the projection of the cyton which is called as dendron. Dendron. It is the projected part of the cyton and the extension of which is called as dendrites. Students, you can notice here in this picture that cyton is present, which we call as the widest part of the nerve cell. So students, from cyton we can observe here the projected part which is the dendron. So students, this projected part is the dendron, and this projected part is further extended, which you can see here, which is called as the dendrites. Students, dendrites remain present in various cell organelles, and the sense organs particularly like skin, nose, tongue, ear, eye. So in all of these sense organs, dendrites remain present, and the main function of which is to carry the sensory impulses from the sensory organs to the spinal cord and brain. Students, in this picture you can also notice the presence of nucleus in the center, Schwann cells, myelin sheath, node of Ranvier which is here, and the axon terminals. Cyton. It is the widest part of nerve cell. Students, as we have discussed earlier also, that cyton is the widest part of nerve cell. There is presence of nucleus in the center of cyton. So students, it is the nucleus which remains present in the center of the cyton, which you can see also here. Since the main function of the cyton is to collect is to collect and receive all the sensory impulses from the dendrites and further sum it up and transmit it to the axon. That's the main function of the nucleus here, students, which remains present in the cyton. Axon, it is bundle of nerve fibers which transmits nerve impulse from cyton to synaptic bulb. So students, axon is actually a bundle of nerve fibers, the main function of which is to transmit the nerve impulses from cyton to synaptic bulb. So students, this concept we can understand it with the help of this picture, where we can see that dendrites are present and which will further carry the sensory impulses to the cyton, where in the presence of the nucleus this will be summed up, and further the axon, which you can see here students, the axon will carry the sensory impulses from the cyton to the synaptic terminal, which is present here at the distal end of the nerve cell. So students, we can say here that the axon, which you can see here, this axon is the connecting link between the cyton and the axon terminals. Types of nerve cell. The following are the types of nerve cell: myelinated nerve and non-myelinated nerve. So students, the types of nerve cells are myelinated nerve, which you can see here, and the non-myelinated nerve. Now students, the concept of myelinated nerve and non-myelinated nerve we can understand with the help of this picture, which you can see here. Students, as we know that the axon part of the nerve cell remains enveloped by a myelin sheath. Students, here in this picture the myelin sheath is depicted with a light blue cover. So students, this myelin sheath, if it envelops the axon, then such kind of nerve cells are called as myelinated nerve. And students, if this myelin sheath does not remain present, then that axon is called as non-myelinated nerve. That nerve which lacks the myelin sheath is called as non-myelinated nerve. Students, now let's discuss a very important question. What is a neurotransmitter? It is a chemical substance which is secreted by synaptic vesicles in the synaptic cleft. So students, in this video we came to know about various parts of nerve cell, which was cyton, axon and dendron. We also came to know the function of the different parts of nerve cell. Thank you, students.